How's it going? Chuck, Sound Survival Tactics, and maybe you've seen a video or two on how to start a fire with a battery and foil. So I've never tried this before, and I wanted to share my little experiment or my test with you. So I've got my battery here. Alright, got a pack of gum. Now this is assuming that you've forgotten your matches or lighter and you just happen to have some pack of gum and a battery with you instead, and this is what you're going to use to start your fire. So we're going to try this out and see if it actually works. But before I go and try this out, like I said, I've never done this before. I've got some gloves here because I'm not trying to get shocked right now, and we'll see what happens. So we're supposed to take this and twist it. So we've got here now, some of the videos show them cutting the wrapper in pieces. I just want to see if this works, so I'm just folding it over and I'll take the gum. Don't let that go to waste. So I'm going to put my gloves on real quick. I'm going to grab the battery. I'm going to put it on one end. Alright, there goes nothing. See what happens. Let's see. Well, so far nothing. Still nothing, but I'm curious as to, like, is this even hot? It feels kind of hot in my hand. So I'm going to take my glove off real quick. So the battery is definitely hot. Maybe I just didn't hold it long enough, so I'm going to keep trying. Hold on. Like I said, the battery was hot, so let's try it with a little less foil. Well, maybe this isn't real foil. This battery did come out of a fresh pack, brand new pack of batteries, and as far as I know, this is real foil on the gum wrapper. Well, don't forget your lighter or your matches when you're going out camping. That's all I can say. So don't rely on this. If you've had a different experience, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see future videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Just click on that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you get notified of future videos as they come out. Until next time, take care, and bye for now.